dear kids, welcome back to your active learning lab class. So children, the activity which I have planned today is 8 walk. This activity we have done earlier also, but this time in the month of December we will do it in different way and with the different topic. So children, what are we waiting for? Let's move to activity area and see what is there in this activity. So children, as I told you, our activity name is 8 walk and we have done this activity earlier also. But again it is there in your syllabus, in your December syllabus. So we will do it again. So this is 8 walk. Last time I have used marker to draw this 8 walk. But this time I have used masking tape, because it is looking beautiful with masking tape. So children, as I told you, in our active learning lab, same 8 walk we have and we use it for walking and it is made up of wood. So I'll share the pic to you, and whenever the school will open, we'll enjoy this activity in active learning lab also. So this is 8 walk, and children, I will tell you how you have to walk later on, but before that I would like to share the chart, the topic. The topic which we will cover today is animal and their babies. So as you can see here, few animal pictures are here and their babies are here. So children, you have to read the chart, and after doing this activity, you can use this chart as worksheet, as I told you earlier also. So you can use this as your worksheet. So children, for the activity, we will call Aishwarya because she is going to tell us how we will do this activity. So children, here we have Aishwarya Didi with us. Hello Aishwarya.
Hi.
So Aishwarya, can you recognize this activity?
Yes.
Can you name this activity?
8 walk.
Yes, this is 8 walk activity, and as you can see, few curve lines are there and few standing or sleeping line, you can say, are there. So Aishwarya, I have told you how to walk. This time we will do it in a different manner, as our chart, our topic is also changed, and we will walk it in a different way. Okay. So first you have to stretch your arm, balance, okay, and you have to cover all the curve lines. Okay. So just walk on only curve lines. And children, as you can see, Aishwarya Didi is walking only on curve line. She is giving us the demo. Okay, so she has reached at the end. Okay, you can say it's not end, but she has reached to the starting point. Okay, now Aishwarya, you have to cover the standing line or sleeping lines. Yeah, all the lines we can say.
Okay.
Okay, cover all the lines. Walk, walk, walk. Very good. She's going back and this sleeping line also. Very good. So she's doing that also. Very good. So children, this was the demo. So Aishwarya, you have done the demo very nicely. Very good, Aishwarya. Now we will include the chart. Okay. So first curve walk. But before that, yes, you have to stretch your arms. Okay. This is, you are walking on the curve lines.
Yes.
Okay, now start reading.
Dog, puppy, chicken, chick, cat, kitten, sheep, lamb, cow, calf, deer, fawn, tiger, tiger cub, pig, piglet, kangaroo, joey, lion, lion cub, duck and duckling.
Very good. Now cover all the lines, okay, and read the chart again.
Okay. Dog, puppy, chicken, chick, cat, kitten, sheep, lamb, cow, calf, deer, fawn, tiger, cub, pig, piglet, kangaroo, joey, lion, lion cub, duck, duckling.
Wow, Aishwarya, you have read the chart very nicely. So, Aishwarya, now it's question answer round. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
But you don't have to see the chart. Okay, I'm going to hide this chart. Okay, I'm going to remove this chart. Okay, so Aishwarya, now you have to walk only on curve line. Okay, so answer my question. Okay, so pig,
Piglet,
okay, sheep,
lamb,
dog.
puppy,
Can you spell this word puppy?
Puppy.
Very good. Okay, now cat,
Kitten,
okay, duck.
duckling,
Spelling of duckling?
Duckling, duckling,
Very good. So kangaroo?
joy,
Okay. So Aishwarya, you have answered all the questions very nicely. So children, how nicely Aishwarya Didi has finished this activity, and I'm sure you all will love this activity. So children, we will be meeting next week. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning. But don't forget to share your videos on my personal window. So
Bye-bye.
bye bye.